Nigga. No on the ground. Oh shit! Fuck! Fuck! Oh, oh my god! Bro, we sliding so quiet, bro. Bro, it's so quiet. Mind if I do? Nigga. Alright, y'all boys, so man, it is snowing crazy, and I was sitting in the crib like, man, I'm finna make the best of this shit. So we finna crank the murdered out M5 up. Oh my god, bro. What am I gonna do with all this snow, bro? Fuck. I wanted the people, I really didn't want it to snow, I'm gonna be honest. Not really a big fan of the snow. I mean, I am, I guess, a little bit. Shit. Bro, this bitch looks so hard in the snow. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Fuck. Fuck. Woo! That motherfucker cold, twin. I'm trying to, should I do something with this rear glass? Oh, this shit finna be cold as hell. Alright, fuck it. Nigga got a seat, right? Fuck it. Alright, I think that's good. I think that's good. Oh, we finna hop in it, bitch. Come on, twin. Oh my god. Bro, we stay with no gas, bro. Fuck, we ain't never got no damn gas, twin. Fuck it, I ain't finna get none either. We're gonna see what this bitch made of. Oh shit, hold on. Fuck. We finna find out what this M5 comp is made of in this snow. Yeah, it's certain ways I gotta go because I can't get caught up in the snow, twin. I feel like everybody driving slow as fuck. That's what you're supposed to do though. I ain't gonna lie, it is snowing, nigga. Look at all that snow finna fall in the whip. No! Lucky for me, I have X Drive. So I ain't really tripping. Come on, dog. Get cold as fuck, dog. Oh, the whip. Yo, I wanted to go hit the fucking brakes, bro. The whip just slid, bro. What the fuck? Woo! Alright, I mean, it is snowing. Let me chill. Dog, this weather is crazy. I haven't drove in the snow. And bro, it's been so long, bro. BMW. That was a fucking E30 right there. That's tough. Y'all, this car don't want to stop. What the fuck? What am I looking at? Do y'all see that shit? It's a nigga in the road with a dog. I ain't gonna cap, bro. I had to fire your ass up, twin. Nigga was in the road like he was finna goddamn carjacking nigga. Like, bro, this is not GTA, bro. Y'all, it's so much snow, bro. And I need gas. I definitely want to get to the main road so I could... Yo, the car don't want to fucking stop, bro. Certain roads I gotta take because I live around a lot of like hills and shit, so I be having to be careful on what road I take and shit and things of that nature. Alright, so we see we're gonna have to start braking early and shit. Oh, 12 out there, bitch. What the fuck? Damn, I can't even do nothing. 12 out there, bitch. Deep as fuck. Let me turn my high beams off. 12 out there, bitch. Deep as a motherfucker. I think they ready for anybody that's finna cause an accident. Oh, shit, I'm in this way. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Get the fuck up out the way. This road ain't even bad. Oh, 12 just sitting right there. I'm thinking I'm finna be drifting and having fun. 12 just sitting right there for a nigga like. We're gonna do a little something, y'all. I'm trying to stay away from hills though. That's the main thing. I'm not trying to get caught up on no hills for real. So I'll be having to plan out my road ahead of time. Am I going too fast? Man, it's been a long time since I've driven in the snow. The last time I actually drove in the snow, I had my SRT8 and I had to drive like 150 miles to get back home, nigga. I hit like 2 things, but it didn't do no damage to my car. Like, that shit was crazy. This is my first time driving all-wheel drive in the snow, so this might not be as bad as having that fucking Charger. For real, for real. But there's so much snow on the ground. Oh shit! Fuck! Fuck! Oh my god! What the fuck? If bitch ain't wanna stop? What the fuck? Now you gotta chill. 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 What the fuck? Now you got to chill, twin. And no cap, I forgot I was supposed to be braking early and shit. Bro, I completely forgot to brake early, bro. I'm sorry. Completely forgot. You got to brake early. I'm seeing that now. Do a little drifty drift. A little something. A little driftity. I don't know if I'm heating up my tires or I don't know if I'm killing my... I know niggas can't stop at the lights for real, so I'm just... It's hard for niggas to slow down, so that's why I'm like, if I see somebody coming, I'm like, all right, hold on. All right, I think we finna go. Oh my God, I'm finna drift the fuck out this turn. Hurry up, nigga, go. Go, nigga, hurry up. Fuck out the way, bitch. You taking up all the damn lane. Bruh, them bitch ass niggas took up the whole fucking lane, bruh. Bro, this shit is so nerve-wracking, bro. This shit is like nerve-wracking as fuck. They the police? That is the police. Why the fucking police keep popping up and shit? Y'all niggas go home. Damn. I'm trying to do illegal shit. Y'all niggas fucking coming back here and shit. I can't even fucking see the road for real, bro. I'm gonna cut that on so we don't disturb the peace. Bro, we sliding so quiet, bro. Bro, it's so quiet. Bro, it's so quiet. I'm gonna go the other way now. Shit. I'm finna go the other way now. Six miles to empty is fucking crazy, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. 6 miles to empty is fucking crazy. I wonder how these other cars handling in the snow and shit. I'm not going until I know everybody didn't stop. Oh, shit. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. I didn't buy the ultimate driving machine for no goddamn reason. I'm gonna tell you that, buddy. I'm gonna tell you that, buddy. I definitely didn't buy the ultimate driving machine just to not slide it in the snow. Like, are you crazy? What's the fucking point? Why would I even buy this motherfucker? I should have just got a damn Tacoma. I couldn't imagine having to drive in rear wheel drive right now, bro. The Charger boys, they put up for the night. I haven't seen a rear wheel drive car on the road yet. Let me know. Have y'all? I haven't. Maybe them fucking international trucks back there. And even them might be all wheel drive. I haven't seen one rear wheel drive car on the road yet, bro. My guys is open. What the fuck? And she know she bad like woo-doo-woo. My guys is open, nigga. They getting that bag. Remy! What's good, Remy? What's good? I'm doing my video. Where? Yeah, on my head, driving around in the snow. Oh, okay. Yeah. How you been? You been good? Good, yeah. I'm gonna grab a picture of my car over there, and then I'm gonna head out. Y'all close? Maybe 10, 30, 11. 10, 11? Okay, bet. All right, y'all boys. So we done pulled the motherfucking M5 cunt out there hoe in the middle of the snow. You dig? Oh, this is bad. Hold on. Let me get that up out of there. Damn. Oh boy, cold fuck. I'm at the gas station. I need to get some damn gas the whole time, but I got a gas station that I be going to. My guy be hooking me up with the burrito. I ain't even gonna say that. Yeah, you know what it is. Oh yeah, Remy didn't call him a new whipski. Congratulations, my boy. Oh, I'm gonna go before it get too bad. I don't even see where to turn it. Oh. I'm finna be like, boy, what the fuck? Fuck, boy, better get that. Bro, I fucking conquered the snow, nigga. This me, nigga. This me, nigga. That's all me, nigga. I conquered the snow. Mustang? Mustang? Nah. This thing in the snow? Hey. I'm gonna pray for you, my boy. No lie, that was the first rear wheel drive car I just seen in the fucking snow, bro. But that X-Drive, they be wanna hook, but the motherfucking snow said no. The snow said, try again. Fuck, nigga. Fuck you thought this was. X-Drive is cool, but it's no match for the motherfucking snow. Ain't no motherfucker. No match for the snow, twin. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. This is every man's fantasy. Turn my pipes down. I can do this without waking up the neighbors, bro. This is so great. And while we're doing this, let's talk about today's sponsor, Curology. I can do this all day. You know what I never did before? I never did an all-wheel drive donut in this car. my God, I gotta make a U-turn now. Well, that was fucking fun. Never did one all-wheel drive, so that was definitely a first. 10 out of 10, would try again. That was fun. What? I have no more gas now. Oh, damn. Damn. It's all right. I don't need to be driving no more after this anyway. I just decided to come out before I got too bad. Every video I have no gas, bro. I always wait to do a video when I don't have no fucking gas. Did I just cut my signal light on? What am I, fucking dweeb? Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. I might play on the snow some more. I might do content with a Raptor R, or maybe a, I don't know. We're gonna have some fun, bro. Just know that. Just know we're gonna have some fun in the motherfucking snow, dog. But that's the end of today's video. Actually, I want to do a burnout. Do I? Kinda. I mean, I already did a little bit too much. If I do a burnout, it's gonna be third person. All right, yeah. Anyway, all right, y'all boys. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Whoa, it looks like that look like that BMW's having a hard time getting out of this driveway. That's funny. Love y'all boys. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all made it this far, comment X drive snow, so I know y'all made it this far. And yeah, love y'all. Catch y'all in the next video. I'm gone.